Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. So guys, if you are interested to know about onbs3.com, so you are supposed to stay connected with us and watch the video till the end, and we will give you the review and tell you either this is a legit or a scam website. So let's first check what is this onbs3.com. It is actually a platform where you can buy fun equipment for your children and kids. The store has been recently created 13 days ago and claims to offer its product worldwide. It is an e-commerce site supplying inflatable equipment such as water parks, bouncers, slides, swings, sets and playhouses the people around the world. But the question is, either this is a legit store. Well, we need to investigate in depth to get its answer. So let's continue. It is actually a store that brands with Banzai and state that each customer can purchase only one item from this store. The website displays featured collection of the web store on the homepage of the website. So let's check the specification of this store. Like its URL is secured with HTTPS, and the web store domain registration date is 8th of June. They have mentioned their email address, and that email address is not in correspondence with the domain name of the store. Moreover, they have mentioned their official timings, but they have not mentioned their contact number for the customer. Moreover, the location, that is the physical location of the web store, is also unknown or strange. Moreover, the store accepts returns within 7 days of purchase of an item. It will also offer you refund if applicable. So more than this, they are offering you payment method via Visa, MasterCard, American Express and PayPal. Let's check the positive point of onbs3.com. One of the first positive point of this website is that it offers you a variety of inflatable fun equipment for your children. Moreover, the website is SSL certified. The web store gives you refund if applicable, but when we check the negative points of this website, we found that it is just 13 years old, that is registered on 8th of June. Moreover, the web store has a strict returns policy, as it returns are accepted within 7 days of the purchase only. Moreover, the store's physical location and contact numbers is not available, and it allows buying only one item to each buyer. So the question we have still in mind, either this is a legit or a scam store. And when we check these points, like it is very young store and it offers fun equipment for children, 31% trust score it gain. But negative is they have missing their contact number, no email address mentioned that match with the domain name. So by the end, we may conclude that as this website is very young for selling or for buying the product, the store carries a variety of products, variety of inflatable fun accessory for their children. But we will suggest you that it's better to stay for some time, to wait for some time to buy the things from the store. So because it is even for us to declare that it is a scam store, because it is very early to decide these things. So it's better to wait for good time, and for after some time we can have decide about it's legit or a scam. Till then, you must buy your things, necessary things, from some other store and enjoy your shopping.